Welcome to MySQL Basic. I am Darpan Powder, your instructor, your teacher, and your programmer, ethical hacker, web programmer, and also I am software developer and web designer, and I do different types of works. I am technician, and also I love to play games. So today I am going to. This is a part 6 of MySQL. If you don't have watched any video, then please go to I bottom and you can see my channel or visit my channel and search every part. And also I am putting a playlist MySQL you can get in I bottom. So let's do it. For example, this is today we are going to learn about uh, like operator. Everything you want to run, you should run our like operator. You will run here. Select asterisk. Uh, now what we will do is so first of all it's like this. Okay, then now what we will do is first of all look, we want to print the word which starts from. So we want to print the word which starts from trial and avenue. So what can we do? For example, let's remove this. So I think first of all let's go to only this, select the address. So let's only select address from, let's select address from a customer. Then okay, then we can see the address. For now, from address we want to bring Jackson Drive and Center. We want to bring Jackson. So we want to bring the word which is consist of Drive, Jackson and Terrace. So what can we do now? So we can do address address, then we can use like, then inside a quotation mark, inside a single quotation marks, we can write a percent drive. So what this percent does is percent drive. If we give front portion in front, it means it says that it will read from front, it will read from front. But if we give percent in last, then it will read from last, and it will also read from first, and it will also read from last. That means we can get a middle data. So we if we do only this, if we only do this, then we can get from front. But if we do drive like this, then we can know the we can know the data from the front to last. From last, it is a last. So suppose I am writing, suppose this is power drive. So I am writing power drive. Then what is it gonna do is, when I write power drive, then it will be run, because PA will be run, power will be our answer, because power drive. So drive exists here. So it goes like this. Understood? It goes from backward. But if we do here percent, then if we remove here, then look what it does is it error occur, because this is not. But if we do drive path, then it is right. So these are some of the things. If between path like this comes, then what can we do? So in this condition we can do percent. So percent is one of these two, last portion and second portion is one of the very best thing to do. So just I explain you about this little bit. Okay, portion drive, and we want portion junction. So let's try junction here. I think we write wrong. And now what can we do is or address like junction. So this is what we can do. Again we can do or address like we can do is crossing or crossing. So and also if we want to crossing, so if we run this program, then we can get the data. Jackson Drive crossing. So this is one of the simple program that we have done. Now let's go to the next thing, that is now we want to print the data. So we want to print now phone number. So let's go to select phone. No phone number, I think we should not do, yes, phone. So let's go to phone, and then we can see phone number. For example, we want to print the phone number which lasts from 7. So we want to print the phone number which last number is 7. So how can we do this? So now for this we can do for where phone inside this we can give. So we want to get last number, then we can do 9%, as we know, like this we can do. Now print it. So now we can get the, oh, wrong, what is happening this? I couldn't understand what is this happening. No, 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 no. 9%, like 9%, or phone like 9%. So I think it is a beginning one. So if we do here portion 9, control C. I sorry for one default. I have say you something wrong thing. So for this I am very extremely sorry. So if we do portion sign in front, that means it will read from RAS, but if we give it as front, then it will read from pros. So look, sorry for that. Yes, it's my apologize. I can apologize you. So this, if we do 9%, if we do 9%, that means it starts from the 9. So if we give 9%, then it starts from first. But if we give portion 9, then look, it starts from last. So this was my default. I extremely want to say sorry. I says that. So again, I want to repeat what I say here. I say like this, in power drive I do. I say that if we if we give a portion sign and in front that, then it will bring an error. So first of all I say you that if you give portion in front, then it means it will read from first, but it is wrong. If you give first percent in first, it will read from the back side. But if you give percent in the front, it will read back. So it is opposite. In inversely proportional like this we can understand. So if front rest and front, so you will if you try your own shape, you will be known. So okay, we have completed this like operator. Sorry for one of the wrong thing I have done. So bye bye. This are for today.